How to identify Pioneer chainsaws. Pioneer chainsaws are a popular chainsaw brand that have been in circulation since the early 20th century. Pioneer Chainsaw Corporation was based out of Canada, and was acquired by Husqvarna Group in 1979. Husqvarna still produces chainsaws in the Pioneer tradition, and recognizing a Pioneer chainsaw is a relatively simple and easy process. The first and easiest way to identify a Pioneer chainsaw from all others is to check the guide bar for a Pioneer logo. The guide bar is the extending metal part of the chainsaw that the chain wraps around. Pioneer chainsaws from all eras usually bear this logo. Later eras of Pioneer chainsaws can also commonly be found with the Husqvarna logo on the bar, as their guide bars can be used in some Pioneer models. If you have an older model of a Pioneer chainsaw, their logo can typically be found on the top cover, as well as on starter cover, which is on the side of the chainsaw. Finding the serial number, name of manufacturer, and make of model is another way to identify a Pioneer chainsaw. There are different methods to do this that are all relatively easy. If you take the guide bar off of the chainsaw, there will be 3 sets of serial numbers. Beneath them there will be the Pioneer name, and underneath that it will say Made in Canada. The other method for identifying your chainsaw as a Pioneer is to remove the top cover of the chainsaw. After removing the cover, look for the serial number and name of manufacturer below the carburetor, closer to the fuel filter. The 2 kinds of manufacturers of Pioneer chainsaws were Industrial Engineering Unlimited and Outboard Marine Corporation (OMC), so most Pioneers will have either one or the other. Finding the make of the model is also easy, as it will be located on either the top cover, on outside of the starter, or on the side of the top cover. Pioneer chainsaws, especially the older models made during the 1950-1970s, feature some distinguishing characteristics that can be easily identified. Remove the top cover of your chainsaw, and see what kind of fuel filter the machine has. The fuel filter is located near the starter. Some Pioneers made during the 1950-1970s have a bowl fuel filter, which looks like a fishbowl that can be unscrewed. Pioneer chainsaws also feature a wrap handlebar that goes around the chainsaw for grip.